Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to find out, so let's get started without any delay. For that, first thing you can do is you may head over the Instagram application, open it up and log in into your account. And once you are logged in, you may just go ahead and look out for your reels. So maybe just go and watch 1-2 reels. And if you want to look out for the history, let's head over to our profile first. In the bottom right corner it is located. Once you head over there, you should be finding a profile page. From here, what you can do is you can head over to the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Open it up and open up your settings and activity. Now from here, what you can do is you may head over to your activity section, tap on it. And then once you tap on it here, we should be finding different interactions that we have been doing on Instagram. So if you're trying to look for the history of the recently watched reels on your Instagram, unfortunately, we do not have that feature yet. But what we can do is we can use this option of interactions in order to view the reels that we watched earlier. So if you watched the reel that you watched earlier, you can go ahead and look for likes. So if you have liked those reels here under this like section, you will be finding the reel that you have just liked recently before you went over to the section. So this is one of the method you can follow up. Otherwise, if you have even commented on the video, the reels, you will be finding the reel right here under this section, and you can just go ahead and view it from the comment section as well. And that is it. And we have this option of content you shared as well. So if you have shared any post, reels, etc., you will be finding it right in this section, and you can look out for your recently watched reels from this section as well. So this is it. You may also follow up the same process in order to look out for your reels history, the ones you have checked. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.